Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, May 12th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. So for today, wellness for your mental wellness and your hygiene wellness. It's a great day to clean your desk. So it's a good time to clean all that junk paper out of your desk and to make things neat and tidy, and maybe even ask your teacher if you can have a paper towel or a napkin or something and clean the top of your desk with some cleaner. So clean up your little desk area, make everything all nice and clean and enjoyable on this Wellness Wednesday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're going to have ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, will be beef and bean burrito. Tomorrow for breakfast will be breakfast pizza, and for lunch will be fish sandwich or fish nuggets. Today's birthdays are, we have none. No birthdays today at Kate Shepherd. Today's announcements, PST, all documentation should be uploaded and completed prior to the 5/19 PST meeting. This includes insights to behavior documentation. For our remote students, we will have 2 drop-off opportunities on Monday, 5/24 from 1 to 2 and from 3:30 to 4:30. Also on Wednesday, 5/26, which is the last day of school, we will have a drop-off opportunity from 8 to 11 a.m. Late duty today will be Miss Cunningham, tomorrow Miss Shaver, and Friday will be Miss White. Important dates, May 24th, again, the remote student device drop-off. That will be at the end of the day and after school. May 25th will be our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th also is our end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students, which is a half day. It will also be an opportunity for remote students to drop their device off. Devices must be turned in by May 26th. All devices must be turned in by May 26th or paid for if you have damaged them. May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.